Hi, I'm Johanna Rothman, and this is my August 2025 Pragmatic Manager newsletter. 3 secrets to add more value and be more effective for any team. Amy, a project manager, said, "With all the changes going on, no one is quite sure of their next steps. The portfolio team is stuck because they can't predict for a year anymore. The product leader is supposed to create a long roadmap, but none of the product people has a crystal ball. That means my team suffers from a lack of product vision. How can I help any of these people be more effective?" We discussed her options. Afterward, she showed the portfolio team the ideas and why minimize management decision time, link below, and suggested they could plan for just 6 weeks. Then they could adjust the plan. See Manage Your Project Portfolio for details. She worked with the product leader and discussed the ideas and consider product options with minimum outcomes and lean road mapping as in alternatives for agile and lean road mapping, part 3, flow-based road mapping. That would make Amy's work much easier, but she still wanted her team to think about how to add more value and be more effective. So we discussed how the team could learn together with see one, do one, teach one. That's where a person sees something useful, see one, that adds value or makes people more effective. Once they see it, they can't unsee it. If they can learn and practice that added value, they do one. After enough practice, the person can teach one. However, that depends on the speed of individual learning. That's why Amy applied the idea of collaboration to see one, do one, teach one. The secret sauce of collaborative, see one, do one, teach one. Here's how Amy and her team worked. Everyone would generate one idea for something the team wanted to learn. There were plenty of options, from using AI to prototype, to addressing what they called technical debt, to feedback skills. That's the C one. They generated 9 ideas, one from each person on the team. Then the team ranked each idea. With 9 people, they could only work on the first 3 ideas. For each idea, the team asked for volunteers to collaborate on the learning and teaching for their idea. The team ranked the technical debt problem first. I would not call it purposeful debt. Instead, it was unfinished work and cruft. However, the 3 people analyzed several of their patterns. Second was the AI issue for prototyping. The last was their ability to offer and receive feedback from each other. Since the team worked on their product, they knew that any time they spent would make them more effective. The teams spent 2 days on each of these problems. However, they did not see how to solve their technical debt or AI prototyping problems. They decided to combine those 2 problems. The third subteam joined in as they learned how to prompt to assess their codebase. That was one instance of the C1 action. Note, they had access to a private LLM, so all of their code remained private. While their LLM led them down a few wrong paths, they were able to see some of their team-based patterns. Then they could experiment with how to fix those problems. I would describe their work as partly swarming and partly mobbing. Those experiments were examples of do one. The doing included seeing their progress to their goal. By the end of the week, the entire team had learned how to collaborate as humans with some assistance from their LLM. Teach one. While see one, do one, teach one was an effective model for the team, that was not their secret. The retrospective uncovered the secrets. Everyone expected that they would learn quickly as collaborative subteams, but even they were surprised by how fast they learned together and how easy it was to fix many of their debt problems. When Amy summarized the retrospective results, she said this: "See one, do one, teach one was helpful, but what really helped was a focus on a small goal that allowed the team to move forward in the face of uncertainty. That goal helped the team stay in their experimental mode, that allowed them to finish faster than they expected and make much more progress on what the product needs to be." The three secrets: effective collaboration in service to a meaningful goal where people can see their progress. While I've used the example of a product or a feature team, these ideas work for the project portfolio team and the product value team. Few of us can work alone and complete the desired outcomes. Instead, help your team look for opportunities to collaborate, focus on a goal, and see their progress as they go. Read more. This newsletter touches on several of my books: the Modern Management Made Easy books, Create Your Successful Agile Project, Collaborate, Measure, Estimate, Deliver, Manage Your Project Portfolio, Increase Your Capacity and Finish More Projects, and Project Life Cycles: How to Reduce Risks, Release Successful Products, and Increase Agility. Learn with Johanna. I have finally finished the first round of indexing for effective public speaking. After this, I'll finish the back cover, get the proofs, and offer my Kickstarter. I'll send you the link so you can decide if you want to back it. If you are a part of the Agile community, consider checking out the Agile Network, link in the discount code below. I have all kinds of other links of interest, including to the previous issues, my YouTube channel, my Managing Product Development blog, Create an Adaptable Life blog, my books, my store, my workshops, my fiction, you name it, it's all there. Thank you, and I will see you next month.